Hey there. I just wanted to go over some drop-off, pick-up work procedures again, because there seems to be some people that are confused. And I also wanted to show you something that will start coming home as well. So the school set up new canvas bags and plastic bags outside underneath the bell tower. When you arrive to pick up your kids' work, you'll take out the plastic bag from the canvas bag, and that's work to be going home. And then the work you're returning will go inside the canvas bag. Please don't take the canvas bag home with you. This way I can see quickly which work I need to collect and grade, mark, and then which is new work going home. You do not have to wait for Wednesdays for my classroom, although you can if you want to. What'll happen is if you just send me an email or a text that tells me, hey, I'm dropping off student work, or hey, I'm putting it outside by my mailbox, and then I can swing by and pick it up if need be. Preferably, it'd be nice if they could just be dropped off at school for convenience on my end. So what'll happen is you'll turn it in. I'll go over the work that night, make corrections, notes, anything I want kids to work on, and then I'll send you an email to say new work's ready to be picked up. So again, you don't have to wait till Wednesdays. I love to start seeing stories coming in, and if kids are finishing their chapter books, to send in their chapter books and the questions, and then I'll send a new one home. I am keeping a log of who's doing what books, and I do want those chapter book questions to come back. As far as the Zern books, do not return the Zern packets until the kid is done. Your kid's done the complete mission. Then bring it all back, and then I'll set up a new packet for the next mission and move them forward. One thing you'll start seeing for Lexia, the Core 5, is you will see a packet with your kid's name up at the top, okay, and then like here, and then it will show some things that that student needs to work on. Based on how the kids are answering, I can pick and select work to help reinforce some skills. So that's how I'm keeping track of how not only how long kids are working on Core 5 for, but to reteach or to have them practice some extra practice if need be. It also, for some of them, it just gives work on certain skills that we want to reinforce heavily during the challenge they're on. So please look for these. Once those are done, those should be returned. And I will continue to keep track. As far as minutes on Lexio, we're aiming for 60 minutes a week. All that information can be found on the school webpage when you go to the Learning Hub, and you'll see the minute expectations for each area. I hope that helps and answers any questions. Have a good day.